Now, here's something worth sharing. A video conferencing solution that is fast, feature-rich, and easy to use. And the best part, it only takes 5 minutes. Yup, 5 minutes or even less to sign up, set up, and start your online meeting. Here's how. Go to quorum.ws. That's quorum.ws. Get started by clicking on the free trial button. Fill out the form, or you can also use your email account to sign up. And this will create a Quorum account. You'll be able to see the homepage for your account. You can either create a room or use the existing default room, which is the home room. Copy the link for your meeting, or add an event to your Google Calendar. Set the date, set the time, invite guests, save it, then click on send. Now your guests should receive an invitation via email, similar to this. And now that's all set, let's click the button and start our meeting. We'll be prompted if we want to use our microphone or if we want to just listen to the conference. So for this, let's select microphone. It will require us to allow our browser to use our microphone. Now an echo test will be set up just to make sure that you can hear your voice and the other participants can hear you. Okay, now we're all set. As for the participants, this email already have the link, and this should direct them to this page where they can type in their name. This is highly configurable. We can request attendees to use password or have a username and password linked to their accounts. So for this, let's just click on join. We'll receive a notification that somebody has joined in, and they are now waiting for our approval to allow them in the conference call. While waiting, this is what they'll see. For us, we have the option to accept or deny them. We'll also have the option to click any of these buttons, which will be universal for all of the users who will be joining eventually. So let's select to accept them, and that's it. We can do video calls, screen share, chat, shared notes, drawing boards, and so much more. This solution is perfect for everyone with numerous features that you can explore. Watch out for more videos on how to use Quorum, a better way to meet online. Thanks for watching.